Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be drawing inspiration from this young baby Tate nails. So yeah, these are really nice duck nails with like a Y2K vibe, and I really like them. They're not really something I'd wear for real, but it was fun to make this video. So I am going to be using acrylic, and I'm using the Mia's Secret acrylic system. I'm using Cover Pink and their monomer, and I'm using, I forget the brand of these nail forms, but that's what I'm using. Obviously you can use tips, but you'd have to buy a special duck nail tips, and I'm not really one to make duck nails often, so I'm just going to use forms. So I want them pretty long like hers were. I don't typically see long duck nails, so it was really interesting to see. So I'm just mapping out the width that I want at the very bottom. I'm flattening it out, and I'm also like the first flap on the nail form is closed, but the second flap, as you can see here, is not closed, and that's so I can create a more wide look. So now I'm coming in with a bigger bead now that I have mapped out how wide I want it to be. So I'm just using that bead and working it to the edge all the way to my natural nail.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love.
And here I am showing you again how the flap is not closed on the second one, just so I can get that width that I really want. So I'm just extending it. So these nail forms are not the best, but they're definitely better than the standard ones that you get in nail kits and stuff. So I'd probably recommend it maybe a 6 out of 10. So now I'm going in with my other beads. So I'm basically doing the 3 bead, well, it's more like 4 beads, because I'm using a little one to map out the width, and then a bigger one to do the free edge, and then this middle one, and then a cuticle bead. But I do go back in to build up the apex just a little bit.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile.
Now I'm going to repeat that process on the rest of the nails. Yeah, so it's pretty self-explanatory. You add your form, you do your 3 bead method, and you make them wider than you would for like square or coffin, and it's quite easy. It's a lot easier than it looks.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else does me like you do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed. And I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else does me like you do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day.
So after I have all the nails done, I'm just going to file and shape. And sometimes on the sides there is a little bit of excess product, so I'm taking my nippers and just cutting that off where it is needed, and then I go ahead and shape again. Now I'm just smoothing out the nails using this fine drill bit from a cart. It is very, you should be like replacing your drill bits quite often, and I just learned this recently. So I think I'm due for some new bits, but I'm really not in the mood to buy them. So for gel polish, I'm going to be using Nail Addict's Juicy Mango, which is a really bright, like reddish orange. It's really pretty. And now I'm just going to be using a Macart number 2 brush to create a French tip. And I don't want it to be real deep. I just want it to be like a normal French.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
So after getting those Frenches on, I'm going to be using Madame Glam's Top Coat Gel, and I'm going to cure it under the light. Then after that, I'm going to be adding those really cute rhinestones. I got these off of Amazon, I believe, and these are like the prettiest things I've ever seen. I love them so freaking much. So I did not want to waste them, so I didn't actually glue them on this time. I just simply, because the Madame Glam gel polish is pretty tacky once you cure it, so I literally used that tackiness and stuck these on, and it stayed on for like pictures and stuff, but I was able to reuse them after I was done making this video. So as you can see, I've already added my cuticle oil and all that. So please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and please let me know how you like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.